All right, video walkthrough of a top floor, one bedroom apartment. It's empty right now, so you get to see it in all its naked splendor, so to speak. So this is the living room. All right, so we got some really good size windows right there. Okay, tons of light pouring in, good high ceilings. Back to the hallway, into the kitchen, where they're still doing a little bit of cleaning up, so excuse the mess. Windows, fridge, gas stove, cabinets down below and up top. Back to the hallway. Oh, let's not forget this really good size closet right there. Back into the hallway to the bathroom. Windows, high ceilings, old school clawfoot tub with standing shower, sink, toilet. All right, and finally to the bedroom, which we continue to find these beautiful windows. All right, and I just want to make sure I'm not forgetting any little thing. There's a closet here. Let's not forget this closet that is in the bedroom. And that concludes our video walkthrough of this awesome one bedroom apartment. All right, it looks like I overlooked another closet over here. All right, so that concludes our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.